Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial from Trustanley. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook birthday card, which is actually the latest feature added by Facebook. And then recently I got a notification. Most times you can get a push notification right here saying that your friend have a birthday, but most times you won't get those push notification. And then sometimes it also shows on your Facebook story area where you post your story showing you that your friend have a birthday, you should send them a birthday card. But most times you don't see these stuffs. But it's probably because this is a new feature and they are probably still working on it. So if there are any changes, I'm still going to make the videos. And then so to make these Facebook stories, to make these Facebook card stories, all you need to do is to click on the latest notification on your notification area to see if you have any friend notification um right here on your Facebook story, on your Facebook notification. So once you see any Facebook notification that says there is a birthday today, go ahead and click on it. But if it doesn't have any Facebook birthday notification, no problem, you can just keep out. But if you do have, just go ahead and click on it. And when you click on it, you can notice it has series of design cards for you. You can select any card you want. And if you for some reason want to use a picture, you can notice this one that has a picture icon right here. You can actually make use of it to post a birthday picture to the person, like clicking on the picture to choose and to snap a picture. You can go ahead and choose different effect to give and then to take a selfie of that particular stuff. So once you're okay with what you're doing, you can actually choose an image you already taken before, but I'm not showing you guys my image. So once you're done, just choose and then send, just the same way you send a picture. But just going to make use of I'm just going to make use of a card. And you guys should notice right here, this is a person that have a birthday today. His name says Hait Khan. So that was my Facebook friend, not really a close friend. So I'm just going to look for a card I like. You can go ahead and scroll. There are a list of several icons, images, personalized card. You can see, you can click on see more if you're not satisfied with the ones you're seeing, and then you can scroll, scroll to the last till you are okay with whatever one you've seen. I think I'm okay with this one. So once you've chosen your message, just go ahead and write a heartfelt message. Then you can say so once you're done writing your message, just go ahead and click on done. And then if you're okay with the message you've typed, just go ahead and share it with the person. And if for some reason you want to add a sticker, you can still do that. Just go ahead and select any of the stickers that you find interesting. Let me just select any one and then move it to any area you want. And you can still select more stickers though. Let me say uh I don't know. This mustn't be perfect. Just choose anyone. Just move it to any section you like. And once that's looking good for you, go ahead and click on share. And once you shared it, it's going to be displayed on your stories area and also be posted on the person's stories area too. And the person will be able to see it, like it, comment on it, and then uh, say several kind of nice stuff with you. So if you still have more people that have birthday, you can still go ahead and wish them more birthday. Um, Selecting any card you think is looking good. So once you're done, click on done, and you can still add stickers again to it if you feel like it's not enough. And okay, that's it. So just go ahead and share it once you're done, and still share it to the person. So if there is more people that have birthday to display, and then another funny thing is, it will not display to anybody that have birthday previously or the next day. So it only displays to people you're currently chatting. So this feature is not for everybody, and you can also get this feature on your. I think so. Let me show you guys what we just did anyway. Now you can notice this area where it shows the person's image display here because it's already published. And then if you notice on top, it shows the birthday icon. So when you click on it, you can still do more by creating more card. Here, now I already created a card. Let me see. You can see create more card for the person. Since I already created a card, I think this is irrelevant, but actually this is what I was looking for before I started making the video. But anyway, this is already the card. So you already created a Facebook stories card for this person, and definitely the person will see it. And if you notice, it already had one view. I think it's from the person actually. Okay, viewed by me. So that's how to create a Facebook messenger story for your friends. So there you go, guys. That's how to create your Facebook birthday card to add to your Facebook stories. And then another crazy thing is it doesn't always display here, but you guys get it right. It displays on the other person's end, sending the person the birthday card because you're wishing them a happy birthday. So thank you guys for watching. If you're having any challenges in doing this, please leave it on the comment below. And if you have any question, leave it on the comment below. And also, if you want to request a video, also leave it on the comment below. And if you're watching this from Facebook, please don't forget to like the page and then share the video with your friends. But if you're watching from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and it's very important. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share with your friends. All right, guys, see you soon.